Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing complex numbers. We're going to convert a rectangular to polar and also exponential. But first we're going to start with rectangular conversion. So the first question says convert the following equation to polar form. So we're going to convert this to a polar form. So as you can see, there's a rectangular. It's a rectangular. It's a rectangular. It's in a rectangular form. So I'm going to teach you using a calculator to convert this. So the first thing to do is to know the polar form formula. So the formula for polar form is equals to r and theta. So you need to calculate your r. How do you calculate your r? So r, remember, this is more like x plus y I. So you know that r, it's a Pythagoras theorem. R squared is equals to x squared plus y squared. So you need to calculate r, and you also need to know your, we're going to confirm this. So you need to calculate your r and also your theta there. So theta, I'm not going to do that. So let me show you. You calculate your r, then to get theta, you're going to use theta is equals to arc of tan, opposite over adjacent. So you're going to use socket over there. Opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to show you how to use a calculator to solve this using a calculator. But obviously you have to write the steps. The calculator will be just to confirm. So this is the formula for theta, opposite over adjacent. So we're gonna draw our Cartesian plane. So look at this. Our x is positive and also our y is positive. So they will be on the first quadrant. So this will be our y side, this will be our x side. So what is the x value? Our x is equals to 2. So it's 2 there and 3. You see? Then obviously it's a right angle triangle. So for a right angle triangle you use Pythagoras theorem. So you look at what you have. In the Pythagoras theorem it says opposite over adjacent. So your opposite will be 3, opposite over adjacent. Adjacent is 2. So that's how you're gonna find the angle. So theta will be equals to arc tan of opposite is 3 over adjacent, which is 2. This will be equals to, let's use a calculator to solve that. Let's use a calculator to solve that. So if you go to your calculator, so I prefer using a Casio. I prefer using this calculator. So we're gonna say shift arc 3 over 2. So you're gonna get 56.31. So it's 56 theta is equals to 56.31. 56.31 degrees. Then what is your r? R will be equals to square root of, remember you're gonna have to find r directly. So in order for you to remove that square, you introduce the square root on both sides. So you're gonna get x, what is your x is 2 squared plus 3 squared. So you can punch this on the calculator straight away. Clear this. So you say square root of 2 plus square root of 3 squared, then you'll get root 13. So root 13 is the same as 3.605. 3.606. Okay, 3.606. The reason why I'm saying 606 is because it's 3.6055. So you see, we round it off to 3 decimal. Then the number before the third decimal, it's above 5. So it's 5. If it's 5 or more, then you round it off. It will change this to the next value. So if it was 6, it's 5. If it was 5, it's 6. Sorry, it's 5. It's close to 6. So this is your R. Then the final answer for polar form will be equals to 3.606, and then the angle will be 56.31 degrees. So let's use a calculator. Instead of doing that, let's use a calculator straight away. So if you want to confirm your answer, you're gonna take your rectangular form and punch it on the calculator. So since we are converting to polar, you're gonna say shift. Look at this, a plus, you see there it's written pole, then minus, it's written rec. So it means now I'm moving to polar. I'm gonna press a plus because I'm moving to polar. If I was moving from polar to rectangular, I was gonna press rec. So now I'm gonna press the polar plus. You see it's written polar, so meaning I'm moving to polar. So I'm gonna say 2 shift comma, you see. So instead of a plus there, you put comma plus 3, then it close the bracket. So it's 2 comma plus 3. You see, 2 plus 3, you leave out the I. So if it was a minus, you're gonna see when you do the next one. If it's a minus 3, you put a minus 3 there. So let's press the equal sign, equals to, you see, R, where is your R? Your R is equals to 3.6055. You see, you got the same answer. Then what is your theta? Your theta is 56.31. See, same answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. So the next question says, convert the following equation to polar also. So you see the difference, it's a minus there. So I'm just gonna use the calculator there. So the difference is that this one has got a minus. This one has got a minus, so there's no big difference. So if you punch it on the calculator, obviously you're gonna have to change it to minus. So you're gonna do the same thing. You find your R. That's the first thing. So you've got 2 squared. 2 is your x, and then y is minus 3. So you're gonna say plus into minus 3 squared. And then this side you solve your theta. The theta will be equals to 2 over minus 3. You put the minus as well. Theta will be equals to, you're gonna get the answer there. R will be equals to, so the R will be the same, root 13, which is the same as this one. It's the same as 3.606. Now your theta will be affected by the minus. So let's do that. We're gonna say arc of tan 2. Let's shift this a little bit up. Let's shift our calculator, we need to shift it up. Okay, no, it's fine. So we're gonna say 2 over minus 3. Then you press the equal sign. You see? Then you can confirm this by saying a pole of 2 shift comma minus 3. See if you get the same answer. You see it's a minus. The answer is a minus there. So you should get a minus. So your theta will be equals to minus minus 56.31 degrees. This will be your answer. So it will be R angle theta as your pole. Then you'll have 3.606 angle minus 56.31. Then the next equation you've got this. So your x is root 5 and then your y is equals to minus 1. And this one is equals to root 5. You do the same thing. You find your r. You just punch this on the calculator. Minus 1 squared. R will be equals to. Just punch it on the calculator. Just punch it on the calculator. Just punch it on the calculator. Let's bring our calculator there. So you're gonna have square root of root 5. Square root of root 5 plus 1 squared. Let's put a minus there. Minus root 6. So we're gonna have a root 6, and then theta will be equals to arctan of root 5 divided by minus 1. Theta will be equals to, just do this. Let me show you. You are moving to pole. Just say root 5 shift comma minus 1. Then you'll get your answer. See? Now you know what is your angle. This will never go wrong. So you've got minus 24.095 minus 24.095. Then obviously if you punch root 6, you'll get the same answer. You'll get 2 point something. See, 2.449. Can write it as 2.449. This one, theta is in degrees, né? So your answer will be a root 6 angle 2.449. And that's how you do it, guys. If you do have any question, please click on the link below, send me a text on WhatsApp, or you can comment in the comment section. Then please note that every Wednesday we're gonna have a session around 7:30 every Wednesday. Please do join. I'll leave the link for the YouTube. Thank you for watching.